Class 9 children, today we will learn a new chapter, chapter 3, expansion. So before we begin this chapter, we have very few important formulas to learn. So here I begin a list of formulas. Number 1 formula here I have a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this formula is very important for you children. Second formula is 4ab. Then if there is 4ab, then it is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. And if I remove 4 from here, this 4 will come and divide here. And my result will be ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by 4. Number 3, a cube plus b cube, and its formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab then into a plus b. And the last formula we have is a cube minus b cube, and it's equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So number 1, number 3 and number 4, these three formulas are known to you in the previous classes. Maybe number 2 formula will be little bit new for you. So these formulas are very important formulas children. Now I will try to apply these formulas in some examples here. So I have example 1 here. If a plus b equal to 9, value of a plus b equal to 9 and ab equal to 20, then find the value of a square plus b square. So in my solution, I write the given things. The given part is a plus b equal to 9 and ab equal to 20. So this given part I wrote, and I have to find a square plus b square. So I will use number 1 formula, a square plus b square, and its formula is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Same formula I wrote here, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just you see here, value of a plus b is 9. So that 9 I put, and there is whole square. I put whole square here, minus 2 into 20. Why 20? Because ab value is 20. As you all know, 9 square is 81 and 22 is 40. 81 minus 40 is 41. So the value of a square plus b square is 41. I want to discuss one more question children here. If x plus 1 by x is 3, so value of x plus 1 by x is given, its value is 3. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So one value has been given and you have to find two values, two questions. So here I begin. Given part, x plus 1 by x is 3 and you have to find x square plus 1 by x square, and you have to find x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. You have to find the value of these two questions. So I will begin from x square plus 1 by x square. I can say that this is a formula of a square plus b square, where a is x and where is b is 1 by x. You can see here x square means a is x, 1 by x whole square, that means 1 by x is b. Here this square I have taken to the top, and as there is 1 only, but 1 square also is 1. So 1 by x has become now b. As you all know, just now I had discussed the formula. Formula is a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So same formula I am going to write here. Formula is a plus b whole square, that means x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1 by x, because a is x, b is 1 by x. So this is a, this is b. So using number 1 formula. As you all know, x plus 1 by x value is 3. So 3 whole square minus 2, because 2 ones are 2. X got cancelled. So 3 square is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. So we got the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now we will find the value of x4 plus 1 by x power 4. Now what I have done, this 4 I have divided into two parts. I have factorized 4 as 2 into 2. 1 2 is inside the power and 1 2 is outside the power. So x square to the power, x square to the power is square. Now plus 1 by x square to the power 2. That means this 4 has become 2 parts. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So same thing, but we wrote in a new form. That means 4 has been divided into 2 and 2. Now this is x square is a, 1 by x square is b. So its formula is a plus b whole square. That means x square plus 1 by x whole square. This is a plus b whole square because a is x square, b is 1 by x square. Minus 2ab. Minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square. X square got cancelled. But here we cannot cancel because there is plus. In multiplication we cancel, but in plus we don't cancel. So value of x square plus 1 by x square we have got in number 1 here. It is 7. So that 7 I put here. 7 whole square minus 2. 7, why 2? Because 2 ones are 2. 7 whole square is 49. 49 minus 2 is 47. So children, very interesting question. Today I have taught you only formula of a square plus b square. All these 3 questions were based on the formula a square plus b square. Tomorrow we will learn some more new questions and we'll apply some other formulas. Thank you children.